from this chapter. Okay. I hope everyone is joining. So write down the question. First question, write down the value of k. The value of k for which the value of k for which the value of k for which the system of equation the system of equations the system of equation kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3. The value of k for which the system of equation kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 has unique solution is first option not equal to 3, first option not equal to 3, not equal to minus 3, not equal to minus 3, not equal to 0, not equal to 0 and not equal to 1, not equal to 1. I'll repeat this. The value of k for which the system of equation kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 has a unique solution is first option not equal to 3, not equal to minus 3, not equal to 0 and last option not equal to 1. So here they are clearly giving this is having unique solution. Unique solution means the lines are intersecting and we are getting only one solution here. Okay. So if we compare, if suppose this is 1 and 2, then a1 is a coefficient of this x is k, then b1 is a coefficient of this y is not 1, it's a minus 1. Okay, and c1 is nothing but minus 2 because when you transpose to this side it will become minus 2 and according to the standard equation we are writing ax1 plus we are writing standard equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So c1 is at that on the RHS side, when you bring it to the LHS it will become minus. Okay, now here a2, we'll check this equation. a2 is 6, b2 is nothing but minus 2 and c3 is nothing but minus 3. So in unique solution we have this condition of a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, correct? So a1 is nothing but k by 6 is not equal to b1 by b2, that is minus 1 by minus 2. So minus minus get cancelled and here if you transpose to 6 that side RHS, so 6 by 2 that is equal to 3. So k is not equal to 3. So check which option is there. Option first one is the correct option. Getting this, how to find out? Don't write here equal. This is a unique solution ka condition is there. So for unique solution a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If you know this, then you will get the answers correctly. Getting this, copy this and take the option A. That is first. Okay, so everyone copied. Now write down next one. If the system of equation, I hope everyone is copied. Write down if the system of equation kx minus 5y is equal to 2. If the system of equation, okay, here equations are given, system equations kx minus 5y kx minus 5y is equal to 2. Okay, and 4x plus my, and 4x plus my is equal to 10. 10 has infinitely many solution, then the value of k and m are, then the value of k and m are, option 1, write down, k is equal to 4 by 5, k is equal to 4 by 5, and m is minus 25, and m is minus 25. Option B, k is equal to 5 by 4. Option B is k is equal to 5 by 4 and m is equal to minus 25, and m is equal to minus 25. C option, k is equal to 5 by 4, k is equal to 5 by 4 and m is equal to 25, and m is equal to 25. The option, k is minus 5 by 4, k is minus 5 by 4 and m is 25, and m is 25. I'll repeat this question. If the system of equation kx minus 5y is equal to 2 and 4x plus my is equal to 10 has infinitely many solutions, then the value of k and m are, k is 4 by 5 and m is minus 25. This is option 1. And option 2 is k is equal to 5 by 4 and m is minus 25. C is k is equal to 5 by 4 and m is 25. And D is k is equal to minus 5 by 4 and m is 25. Okay, so already I wrote the equation on the board. So here they are saying infinitely many solution. That means these two are what? Overlapping. Okay, this infinitely many solution means they are overlapping. So they are overlapping here. That means coincident lines. So here A1 is compared with the standard equation and find out the value for A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2. Okay, so here A1 is a K, B1 is minus 5, C1 is minus 2, A2 is 4 here, Y is nothing but here M, and C2 is nothing but what? 10. Okay, so these are the values we have. So infinitely many solution means we have this condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If you know the condition for all three types of lines, then only you can find out the values which they are asking. Okay, if you don't know the conditions and who are consistent, who are not consistent, then it's very difficult to write the answers or to get the answers. Okay, so here A1 by A2 is nothing but k by 4. So minus 5 by m is equal to minus 2. This is minus 10. So minus 10. Okay, what I will do, I will take these two first. Okay, so here I will write minus 5 by m is equal to minus 2 by minus 10. So minus minus get cancelled, and here I want to find out the value for m. So what I will do, I will just take a cross multiplication, m I will transpose to that side, or if you want you can write minus 5 by 2 is equal to m by 10, and this 10 also you can transpose to this side. So I can write here minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to m. So this is 2. Okay, so I am getting m is equal to minus 10. M I got it as, 5 into 10 is 50. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. Sorry, 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. M I got minus 25. Now only they are asking value for k also. So now once you get m, then what you can do, you can write here first k by 4 equal to then minus 2 by 10, means you can take this and this combination, you get the value for k. K, then here this is minus, minus and minus get cancelled, k is equal to 2 by 10 into 4. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So this you will get 4 by 5. Okay, I am getting 4 by 5 and n is minus 10 25. So check which option is there here. Option first is the correct option. You can tick the option A. A is K is getting 4 by 5 and n is minus 25. Okay. Getting in one question they are asking 2 bits, means m and k, two values are asking. So hope you all are getting this. Copy this. Okay, copy this. Write down next. Pair of linear equations. Everyone copied from the board? Is everyone copied from the board? Yes or no? Can I erase? Okay, write down. The pair of linear equation. The pair of linear equations pair of linear equations 3x plus 5y is equal to 3 and 6x plus ky is equal to 8 do not have a solution. Do not have a solution. Find the value for k. Find the value of k. The pair of linear equations 3x plus 5y is equal to 3 and 6x plus ky is equal to 8 do not have a solution if k is. How much is the k? Find out here. Do not have a solution. That means these are parallel lines. Okay. So find out how you will get the answer. Again calculate here. In parallel condition we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2. So a1 is 3 by 6 is equal to 5 by k is not equal to minus 3 by minus 8. Okay, so here I now wrote directly. You know how to calculate the values for a1, a2, b1 and b2. Okay, and c1 and c2. So this will become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 5k, which is not equal. I am not considering. I am taking which are equal. 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by k. So k is equal to, you will get the value 10. So here option is also there 10. So options are given 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, options are given 5, 10, 15 and 20. Option is 10 here. Okay, write down next question. Very IMP question. Write down the pair of equations. The pair of equations. The pair of equations x is equal to a, x is equal to a, and y is equal to b, and y is equal to b, being a small b and x is equal to small a, graphically represents the lines which are graphically represents the lines which are first A, parallel lines, second, intersecting at A and B, C, coincident lines, D, intersecting at B comma A, Okay, I'll repeat this question. The pair of equation x is equal to A and y is equal to B graphically represents the lines which are first parallel lines, B intersecting lines at A comma B, then C coincident lines, and D intersecting at B comma A. Okay, so these are the equations. Here actually you have to use a common sense. Okay, if you use the common sense, you will get the answer for this question. Here they are saying x is equal to A and y is equal to B. I'll write here x is equal to A and y is equal to B. And normally we are representing x and y like this. That means they are intersecting. No, both lines are what? Intersecting at this point. And here they are saying x is equal to A and y is equal to B. So that means they are what? Intersecting at A comma B. That's it. The option, I think B. B is the correct option. They are intersecting at A comma B. That's it. This is the answer. People are thinking whether they are parallel, whether they are coincident, or maybe intersecting. Yes, they are intersecting, but they are intersecting at A comma B. Because x represent x-axis, y represent y-axis, both are cutting at the origin. That means this origin points are nothing but here A comma B. That means they are intersecting points over here. That's what this question is very important. We have to use here our common sense. So option B is the correct option. Getting this? Write down next one. Write down next one. The value of C for which the pair of equation cx minus y is equal to 2. I'll write down the equations here. Find the value of C for pair of equation cx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3. Will have no solution. Okay. Option A 3, option B minus 3, option C minus 12, option D no value. I'll repeat this question. The value of C for which the pair of linear equation cx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 will have no solution. Option A is 3, B is minus 3, C is minus 12 and D is no value. Okay, they are saying no solution. No solution means they are parallel lines. And for parallel lines, we have the condition A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So here C by 6, coefficient of x is C, and here coefficient of x is 6. So I am writing here A1 is a coefficient of x, A2 is a coefficient of this x. So B1 is what? Minus 1 upon this is nothing but what? Minus 2. it is not equal to minus 2 by minus 3. So I will take only this part. Okay. So minus 2 into c is equal to minus 6. So c is equal to minus 6 by 2, that is minus 2, that is nothing but we will get the value as a 3. Minus minus get cancelled and 2 3s are 6. So option here A is the correct option. I hope you all are getting. Tick mark the option A. Copy this. Write down. I hope everyone is copied. Okay, everyone is copied. Then write down next. Write down the pair of equations 5x minus 15y. Those who are not copied, they just take reverse, watch this video again and come back. Okay. So write down the pair of equations 5x minus 15y is equal to 8. 5x minus 15y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 9y is equal to 24 by 3. 24 by 3 has first infinite solution, B unique solution, C no solution, D two solution, TWO two solution. Okay, I will repeat this. The pair of equations 5x minus 15y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 9y is equal to 24 by 3 has first infinite solution, B unique solution, C no solution, D two solutions. Okay, so here we have to find out what is a type of line. Okay, this is what kind of lines are these? This we have to find out. So here equations are given very clearly. So write down the equations here. The equations are there. 5x minus 15y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 9y is equal to 24 by 3. Okay. So here you have to find out first the coefficients of x, y and c. Okay, constant terms. So here you know that if you compare only with this equation, a1 is 5, b1 is minus 15 and c1 is minus 8. c1 is minus 8. And if we consider this second equation, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 9 and c2 is what? 24 by 3. Okay, now check this combination a1 by a2, that is 5 by 3. Okay, then take a ratio of b1 by b2, that is minus 15 by minus 9. So here minus and minus get cancelled. 15 and 9 are in the same table, so in 3's table, so 5 by 3. Okay, and here c1 by c2. c1 is minus 8 upon 24. This take a reciprocal. Okay, so 24 and this you will get minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. Minus 8 by 8 is minus 1. Okay, now if you compare this ratio with each other, see a1 by a2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2, because here A1 by A2 is 5 by 3, B1 by B2 is also 5 by 3, but C1 by C2 is nothing but minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1, which is not equal to the ratio of A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. That means this is nothing but what? Parallel lines. These are nothing but what? Parallel lines. Is the option there? Yeah. They are asking here, oh, parallel lines. Parallel lines, we have how many solution? No solution. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. Here there is a no solution. Okay. In intersecting, we have only one or unique solution, and in coincident lines we have infinite solution, and in parallel lines we don't have any solutions. Getting this? This is the question which they ask in the reverse manner. Normally they are giving the equation is means the lines are intersecting, or maybe they are consistent, but they never means it's very rarely they are asking the equations are this, then they are what kind of lines are. So like this the reverse question they ask. Okay, so if the question will come, then you have to go for this procedure. Can you getting this? I hope you all are getting. Copy this and you just mark the option C here. Here no one is asking for anyone about your interests and all. Okay, your class is going on. If you are in 10th, you can stay here. If you are not in 10th, leave this meeting and go or follow your interest, whatever interest is there. And which Shastri he is, I know who you are. I will catch you one day. Okay, and I will call your parents. Who is that Shastri? Let me check. Yeah, Anshuman Shastri. I will catch you one day. Don't worry, huh? I know who you are. I'll catch you. Simply coming and messaging here, wasting your time. And I know you are attending, and side by side you are doing these hopeless messages. That's what you are there according to your level. Write down next question. Write down next question. (19x minus 17y is equal to 55). Write down. And Advait, I know you are there. You can leave the meeting, Advait. No need to stay here. Okay? Anyhow, no use. Leave this meeting. Don't divert and don't distract anyone over here just by skipping a message. Entire year also you did the same. So write down next question. 19x minus 17y. 19x minus 17y is equal to 55, and 17x minus 19y is equal to 53. Find the value of x minus y. Find the value of x minus y. Options are given. First option minus 1 by 3. Plus 1 by 3. Second option is minus 3. Third option is 3, and last option is 5. Okay, so these are the equations. Okay, mark this question as a 7-star IMP. Okay, very important question. This they are asking for 1 mark. This question can ask for 2 or 3 marks. Okay, so today I will tell you one trick. Here, whenever the numbers which are odd and they are bigger, okay, if we are solving this and if we want to find out the value for x minus y, people are going for either elimination or by substitution method. So yes, we are doing the same thing, but before that you have to add and subtract these equations so that we will get a smaller values, and with that smaller values we can find out the value for x and y. Okay, so that's what this question is very important in many school worksheets and all. If you observe this questions, there big numbers are there, maybe 3-digit numbers are also there. People are taking LCM and solving. So instead of that, you have to use add and subtract method and then find out the answers by elimination method. So observe this first carefully and then you can copy. I will give you time to copy these questions. Okay, so suppose if this is my equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. First what I will do, I will add the equation 1 and 2. So 19x minus 17y is equal to 55, and this is 17x minus 19y is equal to 53, and I am adding this. So here this is x 16 36 minus here minus 36x is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8, and this is 108. Getting this? Okay, and if we multiply with 3, 36 3s are and 108. Okay, so I got here the equation 36x minus 36x is equal to 108, and if I divide this each term by 36, okay, then what we can do here, 36x upon 36 minus 36x upon 36 is equal to 108 by 36. So 36 is get cancelled. Okay, and 36 3s are 108. So I will, sorry, this is y, this is y, I'm writing mistake, sorry. So I will get here x minus y is equal to 3. This is equation number 3. So one equation I got. See, just by adding this equation I got the simplest equation. Now what I will do, see, they are asking only x minus y value only. So I got answer x minus y is equal to 3. Getting? So option here, option C is the correct option. Okay. Now sometimes they will ask, I am just extending the question according to my experience. So once we add this, so similarly you can subtract these equations. Okay. So check here, 19x minus 17y is equal to 55, and here 17x minus 19y is equal to 53. Subtraction is there, here minus, because this 17 is plus, this is minus, this minus is there plus, and this will become, this is minus, this will become, this is plus, this will become minus. Okay, so 19 minus 17 is nothing but 2x, and here also we will get it as plus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, again I will divide each term by 2, then I get x plus y is equal to 2. So this is my equation number 4. Getting this? So I have equation 3 and 4, and if I take here equation 3, and if I am adding with this, y and y get cancelled, 2x is equal to how much? 5. So x is equal to, I am getting 5 by 2. Okay, and you can substitute the value for x, then you will get the value for y. So this extension question, maybe they will ask for 3 marks. So that's what this kind of big numbers will come, and always you can go for add and subtract. Okay, so I got luckily here x minus y in the first step only. Getting? If they are asking the separate values for x and y, then you have to go for next step and find out. Getting this? X I got, then you can keep x anywhere and find out the value for y. Okay, I will find out here. X is here 5 by 2 minus y is equal to 3. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. 6 minus 5 divided by 2, that is 1 by 2. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Getting this? So this is what the question. But our question according to this x minus y and x minus y I got it as a 3. Option 3 is the correct option. Copy this. I hope you all are getting this. Finished? Is everyone copied? What the same? Okay. So here we have the equations, okay, and they are asking only for the values of x minus y. And here we have a big numbers, no? So we can't. Okay, chalo here we can multiply 17 and we can multiply here 19 and all. It's very difficult. Huge number will come. So in like that calculations are increases. But here if we have some methods before addition and subtraction method. So whenever the big numbers are there, means more calculation is there. In that case you don't take LCM, directly just add the equations. Here I just added both the equations. After adding these equations I got this answer and I divided by 36 and I got x minus y is equal to 3, and that is what my answer. They are asking x minus y is nothing but here 3. That's it. This is what my answer. This is all extended part. Means I know sometimes this kind of questions will come in board exams or in pre-midterm, midterm exam, prelims also. So that's what I extended this part. For timing, if you are not getting is okay, but once we get x minus y, then in next step you can subtract it, and once you subtract you will get another equation, and that two equation you can solve by elimination method. Then you will get the values of x and y separately. Here I got combined x minus y. Getting this? हो गया सबका? Everyone copied? Can I dictate next one? Write down next one. I hope everyone is copied. Write down if bx plus ay if bx plus ay is equal to a square plus b square and ax minus by is equal to 0, then find the value of x minus y. If bx plus ay is equal to a square plus b square and ax minus by is equal to 0, then find the value then find the value of x minus y. They are asking us to find the value of x minus y. Okay. Here also we don't have any option. So what we can do here, if we take this as a 1 and this as a 2, we can add equation 1 and 2. So here dx plus ay is equal to a square plus b square, and this is ax minus by is equal to 0. Then you can add, no? But the problem is that if I am writing bx plus ax minus, not minus, plus ay minus by is equal to a square b square plus 0. 0 don't have any meaning here. So I will write it like this. If you take this x common, then you will get b plus a. And here if you take y common, then a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, this is what I got. This is my equation number 3. I'll keep it as it is. Okay. Now, can we subtract equation 1 minus 2? Then here we can write dx plus ay is equal to a square plus b square, and here ax minus by is equal to 0. And if subtraction is there, here minus, this is plus, and this is what? Nothing is there. That means directly subtracting. So here we can write dx minus ax plus ay minus by is equal to a square plus b square minus 0. So again here x will come common, b minus a plus, if I take y common, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. I am getting this. Now I can take this as equation number 4. Now what we can do here? Do we have any option here? Can we cancel, or what we can do here? Yes, any idea? I am not able to think what we can do once we will get this. X is equal to, they are asking the value for x minus y. I added and I subtracted. Can we divide 3 by 4? If we divide, then we'll get here I made mistake. This is plus, no, this is plus. This is plus. Is some information is given for this? No. Yes, does anyone have any idea how to how to solve? Do you have any idea? I did up to here. Yes, I did halfway. Yes, how left hand sides. Okay, if we take left hand sides are equal, we'll check. If left hand sides are equal, this is a square plus b square, a square plus b square. Not left hand side, RHS are equal. Okay, from 3 and 4 we can take a square b square, and that is a square b square. LHS are same. Not LHS, RHS. Then we can compare the LHS also. X b plus a plus y a minus b is equal to, we can write here, x b minus a plus y a plus b. But we can't take AP. Okay, we can transpose that y over here, x b minus b plus a, and this plus you can transpose here, minus a plus b, and here x b minus a and minus y a minus b. Okay, now here check, b plus a and a plus b are one and the same thing. I will take here the value of b plus a as a common. If I take b plus a common, then I will get x minus y. Okay, and here b minus a, and here I have a minus b. Okay, and if I take here minus sign out, means from here if I take minus sign out, the signs are what get reversed. Means here we can write minus b by a, and if we take negative sign out, then this will become plus. Now again I am getting b minus a common, then I can write x plus y. Okay, so anyhow they are not at all cancelling. B plus a, no, not getting. Wait, what we can do? Sorry, after this we are not getting. Wait, because not getting. We can solve this by substitution method. Okay, what we have to find out here, x minus y. So if we are going for substitution method, so I can write here ax is equal to by from 2. Okay, from 2, and I can write here value of x is equal to b by a into y. Substitute here x value in 1. Put this, you can take 3, put 3 in 1. So b, x is nothing but b by a into y is equal to b by a. b by a into y plus ay is equal to a square plus b square. So b into b square a y plus ay is equal to a square plus b square. Now if I take y common in both the terms, then b square upon a plus a is equal to a square plus b square. Now you can take LCM here. Y is nothing but b square plus a square upon a is equal to a square plus b square. Now I will transpose this term to this side. So y is equal to a square plus b square. When you multiply, this is get reciprocal, a upon a square plus b square. Now this is get cancelled and I got finally y as a. Now once I will get a, then substitute here. Okay, put y is equal to a in equation number 3. Okay, so x is equal to b by a into y value is a. So a and a cancel, x is equal to what? B. Okay, so now I got x and y, a and b. So I will write, I want x minus y, no? X minus y, that is b minus a. This is what the answer. Okay, sometimes I am also getting stuck if something new is there. So this is what the answer, b minus a is the option there. Is we have the option there. Yeah, option is there. That is option B is the correct option. Okay, understood. Option B is the correct option, B by A, B minus A. Getting how to solve? Can everyone is getting? Who all are there? I can able to see Alia and Anahita, and the rest all are there. Suvan is there. Manthan, you are there? Oh, Marva is there. Okay. Marva and who? Vidhi. Okay. 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 Everyone copied getting this? Now write down one more question. If 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, if 3x, oh sorry, not 3x, if 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, if 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 0, then find the value of x plus y. Then find the value of x plus y. Then find the value of x plus y. Options are given: A 0, B minus 1, C 1, D 2. I will repeat this question. If 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 0, then value of x plus y is, okay, option A is 0, option B is minus 1, option C is 1 and option D is 2. So find out this. Now everyone knows how to solve this. Okay, either you can solve by elimination method or substitution method. Okay, copied everyone. Sorry, got the answer. Those who got, they just type the message. I will check the answer. What is the answer? Those who got, just type the message in the chat box. X plus y they are asking us to find out. Directly you can add the equations, you will get the answer. कितना मिला है सबको? Yes, does anyone got the answer? Or all are sleeping nicely? Suwan? Correct. Yes, correct. 0. Others are immediately got 0 only. Correct? Two x plus 3y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. So they are asking the value for x plus y. Okay. So if I take this as a 1, this as a 2, directly you can add these equations. So this is 6x and this will become 0 is equal to 0. So x is also 0 and if you substitute x anywhere, any equation, so 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 is a 0, 3y is equal to 0, the y is also 0. So x plus y is also what? 0. So option, which option is there? Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, write down one more question. This is also very important question. Write down, if 6 comma k is a solution, yeah, so they equal to 0. No, not y is 2 by 3. No. So if 6 comma k, if 6 comma k is a solution of equation, if 6 comma k is a solution of a equation, 3x plus y minus 22, 3x plus y minus 22 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. Then find the value of k is first option 4, b minus 4, c 3 and d minus 3. Okay, I'll repeat this. If 6 comma k is a solution of equation 3x plus y minus 22 is equal to 0, then find the value of k is a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3, d is equal to minus 3. Okay, so these are the options are given. So here they clearly mention the solution, that means they mentioned here the coordinates of x and y. So that coordinates we have to substitute into the equation and we will get the answer. Okay, so here we can write, here coordinates are given 6 comma k and equation is 3x plus y minus 22 is equal to 0. So now here x coordinate is 6. So 3 into 6, y is nothing but k minus 22 is equal to 0. So here 18 plus k minus 22 is equal to 0. So 18 minus 22, that is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. So k is equal to how much? 4. Getting this? Okay, very simple question. Copy this. Write down. Next one. The angles of cyclic quadrilaterals A, B, C, D are. This is last question from today's session. Remaining I will continue by tomorrow. So the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D are. The angles of cyclic quadrilateral of A, B, C, D are. And here the angles are given. Angle A is equal to 6x plus 10. Angle B is given 5x degrees. Angle C x plus y, and angle D 3y minus 10. Okay, find the value of x and y. And here they give options. Write down options. X is equal to 20 degrees and y is equal to 10. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10 degrees. This is option 1. Write down option 2. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 30. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 30. And here third option, x is equal to 44 and y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15. Last option, x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 15. So these are the options. So everyone knows that cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but what? In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sums is nothing but how much? 180. So suppose if you are taking this as a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, then here suppose this is A, B, C, D. That means angle of A plus angle of C is 180 and angle of B plus angle D is also 180. Okay. So if I take here A plus C is equal to 180, A is nothing but 6x plus 10 and C is nothing but what? X plus y is equal to 180. So here 6x plus 1x is nothing but 7x plus 11y is equal to 180. This is my equation number 1. And BD, that is 5x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 180. So this is 5x plus 3y. What I did here, I did a mistake here. Wait, 6 plus 1, 7x plus y. And this 10 go to that side. No? This will become 170 and this will become 190. Okay. So now this is my equation number 2. Now if you observe here, if I multiply this equation 1 by 3 and subtract, then y is get cancelled. Okay. Multiply equation 1 by 3, then 3 into 7x plus 3y is equal to 170 into 3. 3 multiplying means you can multiply in RHS as well as in LHS also. So this is 21x plus 3y is equal to 51. This is my new equation and I have here 5x plus 3y is equal to 190. You can subtract this. So 3y get cancelled. 21 minus 5. is nothing but how much? 16. 16x is equal to 0. Now 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is nothing but here 2, and 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So x is equal to 320 divided by 16. So so x is equal to here 20. Okay. Once you get x, then you can substitute anywhere. So if I want y, no, so you can go for this equation. 7x plus y is equal to 170. X is 20. So 7 into 20 plus y is equal to 170. 7 2s are 14. So y is equal to 170 minus 140. So that is equal to how much? 30 degrees. So is this option there? Yeah. Option X is equal to 20, Y is equal to 30. Option B is the correct option. Okay. I hope you all are getting. If you know the cyclic quadrilateral opposite sum are 180, then it is very easy to solve. Getting this? Everyone can copy. Yes, everyone copied, finished copying. Okay, those who copied, they can leave this meeting. Today I will stop. Tomorrow we can continue for the remaining questions. Still some questions are there, variety of questions. So tomorrow's session you can join. Okay. Thank you for joining. Those who finished, they can leave this meeting.